Hi guys, it's Tanya from 4Girls Jewelry with another tutorial. Today we'll make some beaded earrings. I hope you guys will join me, pick up some wires, and we can start wire wrap together. So let's first make frame. I use some simple objects I have in the house for frames. So this one is perfect for this. I made it on the handle of my hammer. But also, if you have tools, this one from Michaels, they also have elongated one. I just need to search where I put it in my messy place. But anything that you can wrap around to make the frame will be really nice. I also use for the thinner one, the one that we will make today actually, I use, believe it or not, this. So what we do, we just leave a little piece for where we can later finish. And what I do, I just go around both, something like that. Go slow. Sometimes have to adjust, so it has to be like in the middle, and then we will wrap around, and there you have your frame. Highly recommend to make two of them at the same time, so you will have perfect shape for your earrings. So that's the one that we can use. Need to be hammered. If you feel like you need to put it back and make it perfect shape before you hammer, you just put it on, push it how it has to go back all the way. Sometimes it's like, yeah, see, and make it nicely set. You can even use your tool to navigate the wire setting properly, and after that you just hammer it, so it will be nice shape. After you hammer, because this one is hammered, you can see, first it adds stability to your work. Plus I like that the beads, if you wrap around everything, it will have a little grip because it's hammered. 24 gauge, and I will use bicons just like in this piece. Any beads work, bicons or round beads or rondelle shape. See, it's like this one is rondelle. So any beads you have, you can use in this design. So it's just like I would attach maybe 3-4 times on the bottom, in the middle of your shape. That's all. Okay, we have it. Then I put my rondelle, no, bicon actually. And because I want to put on top, so I will make a little room here before I actually put the bead. You know what I mean, like I wanted this bead to be touching the wire here, so I need a little room here before I bend. So, and it's the same here. So just take your time, make it perfect. Maybe I'll remove all the beads here so it will not. Okay. So now what I do, I add a few more wraps. Now, so the first bead is sitting. Now I will need, in the other designs I need 9. Let's see if it will be 9 also. But you adjust according to your 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. I might need more. Let's see. If I put 9, you have to see. Yeah, I need one more. So you want to just go around the bead. First layer. Let's need to go around the bead. And you secure it on the other side. So I like we wrap it 3 times, and then what I did with all of them, I like calculate 3 here and 3 on the opposite, and then we have 4 between. In this, you know, when you have 9, you will have 3, 3, and 3 in the middle. All depends on how big your bead is and what size of those seed beads you will have more. So now 3, because I want to have 3, make this little layer a little bit bigger than the before. So like in this piece I have 4 inside and 6 I added here. Here I will have 3 beads. So I will put 4 for now. So just make it number a little bit more than you have, because you want to have that little curve. Okay, we have 3, 4. We have such a dark day today in Chicago. Looks like we're gonna have a snow. So let's see, we have 4. I still want to have one more, and you adjust according to your sizes of the beads. And so I want to make this first band in 3, so I put here 5. After the 3/3 I'll put wire here, and just slow push it. So we have the first one. You can also try to tie that more. Here, it's more tight. Okay, so now, so that will be also, we will put 5 over here, and then I want to make something where I can add my jump ring if I wanted to, or directly we can put here a bead. So what I do is, because you have 4 here, I will add 3. Let's see how the 3 will be. 3 beads. Just the number has to be more than you have on previous layer. So we have 3. Let's see how. It can be like that. I like that. Okay, so then if I put 3, then we wanted to make our first. You know, I'm very close. I put my pliers very close to the bead, and I just make first 1, 2 twice around back. So it's a little loop where we can use anything. We can put bead directly to it. So okay, so now we have to go back the same pattern. We need to have 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's harder with the seed beads. These are thicker bigger and still I have trouble to put them on. Okay, so we have these 3. So now I want to go back, leave those 3 up for the next wrapping here. And you have to just push your wire. Be gentle, because if you use seed beads, and you need to be very, very gentle, or crystals, it's the same story. Okay, and you don't need to buy a wrap or anything twice. It's just slightly bent. It will hold your beads. And I have to put, I forgot how many we have, 5 or 6 on the other side. Okay, let's see, 2, 3. Gosh, it takes forever. Sorry guys, my eye's getting worse. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we have 5. Okay, so we have 5, and we're going inside here and hold it nice, and make it this little 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. Cut, and we have little earring almost done. So now will be time to decide what you wanted to add. You can also very nicely push it so it will be not sitting how you want, you know. Just make it looks nice. Okay, perfect. And I like this middle bead to be a little bit in front. You can push that in front of the design, and then all you have to do is add any bead. If you want, you can put directly, because you can also flip that, you know, or you can put like this and add it. If you like your jump ring, you can put the jump ring through it and add some beads, like tinier beads. Oops. Something like that, you know. I really like when it's with the seed beads, when you use your seed beads in the design. But because it's easier to wire wrap when you have larger beads, I used just a little bit larger size beads. Guys, I hope you like this design. I know the holidays coming, and sometimes you want to have something more sparkly. So that's what I was making today, some earrings for the holidays. Green, and you can do any wild combination you really like. Something like that. And with this, we just made it. These guys. And yeah, any seed beads you have in your stash, if they go to a level of sulfur, will look very antique and very beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy this, and we'll make some cool designs, cool earrings for the holidays. Let me know, and I will see you next week on Tuesday. We have a date. Thank you guys for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.